Okay, so let me talk about how you can create a pie chart in the Android phone. So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are obviously many ways how you can achieve this, but the one I think is actually the best is through this type of app, which is for spreadsheets. Like the free one you can use is Google Sheets, but there's also the Microsoft Excel and even other apps. But let me just start with this one where you can open it up and access your files in here. So you can also switch to a different account if you feel like you have some different files in there. But the point is that you can find something that you have been working on lately, you get in touch with that file, and as long as you have some valid data, it depends on what it is, but if you have some data, you can turn it into a pie chart or any other chart really. So for example, I have the chart of like some names and some percentages, right? So you can select the first one and also drag the selection so you include all of the data you want to turn into a chart. So I have like 5 lines, 5 names, and 5 number points, which are percentages in this case. And we essentially just want to turn it into a chart. So we can click on the plus button. As you can see at the top, there is this plus above, and you can turn or insert the link image, but also chart is right there. So when you click on chart, you can see it might kind of look like this, but you also have different types of the chart. So if you switch from the column one, you can browse those available ones and go with the pie chart. So there you have this like with the hole in the middle, you have the full one and also the 3D model, but let me just click the basic one, right? That's pretty nice. And that's how I can confirm it, and you can see that it has now been added. So it works like a nice floating image which you can play around with and place wherever you want. Like you can resize it, make it smaller to include less data or larger for more, but we essentially turned a few lines of data, names and numbers into a pie chart, so every single person has their own like part of the pie. So that's personally my favorite way of doing that. So yeah, that's how I would approach it, but definitely there are dedicated apps just for this purpose. Like there have to be some like just pie chart app makers, but yeah, that's just my personal way of achieving this. So let me know if you like this, let me know what you think below, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you later.